Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Miko's down here on the floor taking a nap until he decides to chew on something he's not supposed to. Anyways, sometimes I'm known as the Bearded Welder. If you want one of our Bearded Welder t-shirts, go down link below. We also have our new It Can't Be Stuck If It's a Liquid shirt, and our classic Wood and Metal Workshop t-shirt. Anyways, if you want to support the channel, go down below, click the link, pick up some merch, support the channel. Anyhow, we got a very easy, quick project here, hopefully. I've already done one. We'll see if we can get the other one done. I just wanted to make sure everything was going to go right, and not to mention I had the other one done a long time ago and ordered some parts to finish it and lost them. But I found them this morning, so let's get this done. So what we have here is the Ridgid 18-volt portable compressor. Love this thing. I love it so much I bought a second one after this one broke. Anyhow, the problem is, and I don't have it here to show you, but the fitting that comes on here to hook to a tire chuck or put on one of the accessories, the little pin in there is plastic that depresses the center of the valve stem, and they break. Annoyingly easily they break if you don't get it on perfectly straight, whatever. So picked up some parts. Have get it open. Quarter-inch NPT hose barb. There's a hose barb to hose barb. Don't need that. Don't want to use these because you want it smooth. And a clip-on tire chuck. Now I like this clip-on one for using on these because with this you can set the desired pressure and walk away. And it shuts off when it reaches the desired pressure. Parts are fairly inexpensive. What we got to do is put this on this eventually. But first we're going to attach this to this. And we want it to look neat. We want it to be smooth. Like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut back the braiding just a little bit. Got a very sharp utility knife here. Just put a new blade in it. Not one that I found on the floor. So we'll cut back that. And we want to get rid of those frayed ends. Just kind of smooth it out. Now I'm going to take a piece of shrink tubing, about an inch. Slide it over to cover that. And give it a shrink. Let that cool for a second or two. This is the kind that has the glue inside of it. So I'll just keep that from slipping back and fraying and making a mess. Then we're going to take our leftover piece here. Slide it way past. This is what I lost, was a kit of these little spring clamps with a spring clamp tool. So we'll open that up. Slide it on there. Release it. I'm actually doing two. You can do one, you can do none. If you do none, and that was the problem I had, was that they, with this style, it doesn't let air out when it's not hooked to something. and it was blowing the chuck right off the end of the tube. So now we're just going to slide this in here. I want to get it fully seated. A little hard to do with the clamps on here. See if I can get that to slide back over our shrink wrap. There we go. And we'll grab this one. Get the tool to open back up. Open that up. Slide it back out of the way. Now we can get that on. Now we should be able to get that fully on there. Okay, that's good. And we'll I don't know if I like this tool or not. Now that's something else for your hand to catch on. So got the handy dandy Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel on it. See if I get you guys a good view of this. If I can get a good view of what you're seeing. I went ahead and zipped those all the way off. Come on, focus here. Come on, focus. It's trying. I do have it in autofocus, right? Make sure. Yeah, okay. Camera's set right. Come on. Anyways, ground those down. Then we'll slide our other piece of shrink tubing right over the whole thing. Let that cool off for a minute while we grab our wrenches and our thread tape. I don't know about you, but I like doing 4 or 5 wraps. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not over the end. We can go ahead and nice and tight, all ready to go again. Now let's give it a try with the nothing in here. Well, first we'll put something in there. Grab a battery. Okay, I'll take that out. It's at 170 psi and it's not coming off. So that one's good. There we go, 180 pounds. And it's holding. There we go. Alright guys, nice quick fix. Now I've got 2 working Ridgid portable compressors. Still hooks on just like it did before. So if you've had that issue with your Ridgid compressor, instead of sending it in and getting the same parts back, lifetime service agreement of course, go ahead and fix it yourself. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.